people know to be wary of scammers, people trying to steal your personal information or your money. These scammers have developed new ways and new schemes to steal people's taxes. Today we're going to discuss some of the most common ones. First is when someone gets a phone call from someone purporting to be from the IRS. They may give you a fake name, fake badge number, but say you owe a lot in back taxes and have to pay it immediately, or face tax liens, tax levies, or even a warrant out for your arrest. Keep in mind the IRS rarely ever calls you on the phone. Instead, they'll issue you a notice. So if you get any phone calls, believe it's probably a scammer. The next scheme has to do with those tax notices. Someone might get a notice in the mail saying they owe back taxes, give an amount, and direct you to a website. When you go to that website, it may even look like an IRS website, but it's really the scammer's website. So when you pay the money, you're actually paying it to the scammer. If you do get one of these notices, call your CPA up, have them investigate, or you can go to irs.gov, call the taxpayer hotline, and ask them if you have any outstanding taxes, and if so, what they relate to. The last one is when a scammer steals your identity and files a fraudulent return on your behalf. They usually claim a large refund and then steal that refund. Now, if this happens, you need to go to the IRS and immediately report it and get a hold on your tax account. And a more recent scheme on that is when the fraudulent return is filed and the money is actually deposited into the victim's own account. Then the scammer approaches the victim and says, this has been an error, you need to pay it back immediately. The person can look at their bank account, see it was a refund that they weren't deserved, and pay it over to the scammer. Again, if this happens to you, the best thing to do is to contact the IRS directly and figure out the best way to get that money back to them.